Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Heartland, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Waukesha, Brookfield, Pewaukee, Sussex, Heartland, Delafield, Merton, and Shennequa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.